मैं CS पटेल बृहन मुंबई महानगर पालिका शिक्षण विभाग वर्चुअल क्लास में आप सबका हार्दिक स्वागत करता हूं। बच्चों, वैश्विक महामारी के चलते इस वर्ष का अध्ययन अध्यापन का कार्यक्रम प्रभावित हो रहा है। ऐसे में हमारी बृहन मुंबई महानगर पालिका ने प्रत्येक विद्यार्थी तक ऑनलाइन टीचिंग पहुंचाने का प्रयास शुरू कर दिया है।
Standard second, subject English. Yes, students, you are seeing my English book 2. Yes, standard 2. And students, today's lesson is 2.2 activity time. So yes, students, we will do activity. We will see. Yes. So yes, students, activity time, today's lesson. So myself CS Patel from VTC MCGM Mumbai. Okay, students, so now see further. Activity time. So let's play. So first of all, see students, see images. See images. Right, see images. Now students, see with the help of see ball, ball, star, pen and lion. Okay students, so keep in your mind. Okay students, so we will play further. So first of all, identify these images very carefully. तो सबसे पहले बच्चों अच्छे से पहचान लीजिए. And students, yes, if I say about ball, right? So yes, keep in your mind. Yes, we play with it. Yes, we play with it. It is round in the shape. It is round in the shape. So yes, about ball. So keep in your mind, right? See star. Yes, you are seeing star. It twinkles in the sky. So listen carefully. Listen students, try to understand. It twinkles in the sky at night. Yes, you are seeing star. Keep in mind. Yes, we will see. Yes, in the play, in the game, in this activity. Yes, so keep in your mind. See play pen. Yes, pen. So pen, we write with it. Yes, pen. And students, you are seeing lion. Yes, lion. It is king of the forest. Yes, students, lion. Lion is called king of the forest. Yes, it is called king of the forest. So keep your mind. Yes बच्चों, in our mother tongue if I say lion, yes, king of the forest, यानी बच्चों जंगल का राजा, king of the forest. So keep in your mind, right? King of the forest, it is called. Right, now see further. Yes, see another image, cup. Cup. So keep in your mind about cup. Yes, we drink milk. We drink milk in it. Yes, so you are seeing here tree. Yes, birds build nest in the tree. Yes, birds build nest in the tree. So keep in your mind. Now see another image, fish. Yes, fish. Yes, it swims in the water. It swims in the water. And yes, students, you are seeing bus. You are seeing bus. Yes, we travel in it. Yes, it carries students in school days. Yes, it carries students in school days. Okay, so keep in your mind. Yes, you are seeing bus. Okay students, so first of all try to understand about these images, these pictures. Now students, see this image. Now say peacock, peacock, peacock. Yes, peacock. It is India's national bird. It is our national bird. Yes, so keep in your mind, right? Yes, you are seeing mango, mango. Yes, mango. It is king of fruits. It is king of fruits. Yes, it is called king of fruits. And students, you are seeing, yes, while, yes, you are seeing yellow when it ripe. Yes, see another image, house. Yes, say house. It keeps us safe from cold, rain, sun. Yes, so it's house, it's house. And students, you are seeing ice cream. Yes, ice cream, very popular, yes, among children, very popular among children. Ice cream. Yes, you are seeing. Now see students, see further images. Monkey. Okay, so yes, try to understand. समझिए बच्चों. Monkey. Yes, if I say about monkey, yes, it jumps from one branch to another. Yes, monkey. Yes, it jumps from one branch to another. And see students, it's a bird. It's a bird. Yes, it chirps. It chirps. Yes, see umbrella. Yes, umbrella. Yes, now say umbrella. Yes, it saves us from rain, sun, yes, etc. Yes, now say umbrella. And see students, sun, sun. Yes, it rises in the east and set in the west. Yes students, you are seeing sun. It rises in the east and set in the west. Okay students, so we will see further activity. So keep in your mind these things. Okay बच्चों, इसका ध्यान रखना है, right? So yes, be ready. See further. Okay, so these are the, yes, images. Again we will practice, we will see, we will play activity, yes, around these images. Okay, so let's play. Be ready. See further. Okay, so are you ready? Now see, it's activity time. Okay students, now let us play a guessing game. Each one of you will come here and think about a picture in mind. Yes, so keep in your mind. Let us play a guessing game. Yes students, अगर एक्टिविटी की बात करें, so what's type of this activity? Yes, it's type a guessing game. Guessing game. Okay, each one of you will come here and think about a picture in mind. Who is saying so? ये कौन कह रहा है? Teacher, right? So teacher is saying so. You will have to speak about it. Other students will guess the picture, right? Other students will guess the picture. I will start the game. Yes, teacher is saying I will start the game. Look at these pictures. Okay students, so yes, you have seen pictures. तो बच्चों, आप पिक्चर पहले देख चुके हैं, जो इमेजेस हमने बात की थी. Yes, now listen carefully. Now listen carefully. Okay, so yes, showing the images. टीचर जो है क्या करेगी बच्चों? Yes, now look at these pictures. जिस पिक्चर्स को अभी हमने, yes, अभी हमने पिक्चर्स को डिस्क्राइब किया, वो पिक्चर टीचर दिखाने वाली है. Yes, look at the pictures. Now listen carefully. Yes, listen carefully. I have something in my mind. Listen carefully. I have something in my mind. Yes, so teacher is saying so. So yes, you are seeing टीचर इज स्टार्टिंग द गेम. बच्चों टीचर गेम को स्टार्ट कर रही है कि इस गेम को किस तरह से खेलना है. यस, सो टीचर हैज स्टार्टेड नाउ. आई हैव समथिंग इन माई माइंड. ये स्टूडेंट से इन द बिगिनिंग आई हैव यस टोल्ड, मैंने शुरू में ही कहा था यस कि इन द स्टार्टिंग दिस ये एक्टिविटी है गेसिंग नेचर. इसका जो नेचर है वो गेसिंग, यानी बच्चों गेस करना है, अनुमान करना है, अनुमान लगाना है. ये जो गेम है, एक्टिविटी है, राइट. सो बी रेडी. आई हैव समथिंग इन माई माइंड. इट स्विम्स इन द वाटर. यस स्टूडेंट सर, टीचर ने कहा इट स्विम्स इन द वाटर. गेस व्हाट इट इज. टीचर ने बोल दिया यस इट स्विम्स इन द वाटर. गेस व्हाट इट इज. सो स्टूडेंट्स जो इमेजेज है वो दिखाती है, उसी इमेजेस से एक इमेज आपको जो इमेज है गेस करके बताना है. यस, सो आई थिंक यू आर रेडी. बच्चों आप अभी समझ लिए होंगे. सो यस, द टीचर इज स्टार्टिंग. यस, टीचर सोच एंड इट स्विम्स इन द वाटर. सो यू हैव टू गेस. बच्चों को गेस करना है. एंड यस स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ यस आई थिंक यस it's a fish. So students are seeing this, yes, listening this instruction of the teacher. टीचर के इस इंस्ट्रक्शन को सुनकर it swims in water. it swims in water, right. इस स्टूडेंट ने बच्चों टीचर के इंस्ट्रक्शन को सुना, it swims in water, एंड इमेजेस दिखाया टीचर ने, राइट. इमेजेस जो हमने दिखाया था उसी इमेजेस से इस इमेज को आइडेंटिफाई कर लिया. यस, किसने आइडेंटिफाई किया? दिस स्टूडेंट, इस स्टूडेंट ने. एंड आंसर क्या दिया? इट्स अ फिश. इट्स अ फिश. सो टीचर का क्वेश्चन है व्हाट इज इट. यस, क्या करना है? गेस करना है. इस तरह की एक्टिविटी है. सो इस स्टूडेंट ने गेस कर लिया. यस, okay, just we will see. Yes, it swims in water. Guess what is it? So it's a fish. Okay, okay students, I think you are ready now. Okay, now see further. Yes, activity time. See, let us play a guessing game. Same instruction. Each one of you will come here and think about a picture in mind. You will have to speak about it. Other students will guess the picture. I will start the game. Look at these pictures. Now listen carefully. Same instruction students. Yes बच्चों, तो आपको टीचर ने स्टार्ट करने के लिए कहा. यस, आई विल स्टार्ट द गेम. टीचर यहाँ पे अगेन जस्ट आपको समझा रही है. सो आई विल स्टार्ट द गेम. सी वंस अगेन टीचर इज सेइंग अनदर एग्जाम्पल. सो लुक एट दीज पिक्चर्स. टीचर यहाँ पे वही इमेजेस जो पहले हमने एक्सप्लेन किया. यस, सी सोच फिर से दिखाती है. एंड यस, लुक एट दीज पिक्चर्स. नाउ लिसन केयरफुली. सो नाउ लिसन केयरफुली. यस, आई हैव, लिसन केयरफुली, आई हैव समथिंग इन माई माइंड. So teacher said, I have something in my mind. It is called King of the Forest. It is called King of the Forest. Guess what it is. So students, yes, we have explained. So keep in your mind. Are you ready? It is called King of the Forest. King of the Forest. Yes students, I think you are ready. You know King of the Forest. In your mother tongue you say King of the Forest, जंगल का राजा, King of the Forest. Yes, I think you are ready now. Yes, so just guess and try to answer. कोशिश कीजिए बच्चों. Yes, I think you are ready. So yes, in your mind. Okay, yes. So yes, this student is now ready and guessed the answer and told it's a lion. It's a lion. Yes, Okay, it is called king of the forest. So yes, guessed by this student. यानी इस बच्चे ने guess कर लिया. Yes, it's a lion. Okay, very good, very good. Yes, very good. Yes, congratulations for good guessing. ये के okay, right guessing. Now see further. Okay, see, it's activity time. So let us play a guessing game. Each one of you will come here, yes, and yes, think about a picture in mind. You will have to speak about. Other student will guess the picture. Yes, again, teacher is continuing the game. Now look at these pictures. Yes, teacher shows pictures. Now listen carefully. Now listen carefully. Yes, I have something in my mind. It is our national bird. Guess what is it? Okay, students, keep in your mind. I have something in my mind. It is our national bird. It is our national bird. Guess what is it? I think you are ready. So see, yes. Now this student guessed. Yes, it's a peacock. Yes, right answer. Students, we know. Yes, peacock is our national bird. Yes, so this is the right answer. Very good guessing. Excellent. Well done. Well done. Well done. Yes. Now students, yes, so just enjoy in this type of activity. Okay, so go ahead, see further. Okay, now students, yes, let us play a guessing game. Now students, role of the teacher has changed here, and now suppose this student is ready now. Yes, so in the beginning, so शुरू में बच्चों ये जो गेम है टीचर को स्टार्ट करना है, टीचर को हेल्प करना है, एंड आफ्टर दैट टीचर के प्लेस पे स्टूडेंट को रोल ले लेना है, यानी इस एक्टिविटी को यस परफॉर्म करने के लिए. राइट नाउ यस सी स्टूडेंट्स, सपोज टीचर यस सो यस स्टूडेंट इज हियर नाउ. Yes, so student is playing teacher's role now here. Okay, now see, yes, let us play a guessing game. Each one of you will come here and think about a picture in mind. You will have to speak about it. Yes, other students will guess the picture. Yes, now see here. Look at these pictures. So now this student shows the pictures. अब ये बच्चों ये पिक्चर को दिखाता है. यस ओके, सो नाउ लिसन केयरफुली. अब ये स्टूडेंट बोलता है. ओके, आई हैव समथिंग इन माई माइंड. इट इज कॉल्ड किंग ऑफ द फ्रूट्स इन इंडिया. ओके, सो कीप इन माइंड, इट इज कॉल्ड किंग ऑफ द फ्रूट्स इन इंडिया. Keep in your mind. Yes, I think you are ready. Yes, I think you are ready. So just guess. What's your guessing? Yes. So this student again guessed. Yes, it's a mango. It's a mango. Yes, mango is called, yes, king of the fruits in India. Yes, बच्चों. Very good, very nice, congratulations, well done. So yes, all of you, yes, should clap. Yes, so clap for this student. Very good, right, excellent, well done. Okay students, now we will do this activity further. Now see, yes, so let us play a guessing game. Each one of you will come here and think about a picture in mind. Yes, so same instruction here. So you will have to speak about it. Other student will guess the picture. Now yes students, again you are seeing that this student is performing here activity. Right, तो बच्चों यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं. Okay, Now see. Yes, be ready. What's the question? Yes, I have something in my mind. Yes, it rises in the east and sets in the west. We can see it in the sky. Guess what is it? I think students, you are ready. It rises in the east and sets in the west. We can see it in the sky. So guess what is it? Yes, rises in the east and sets in the west. So students, I have explained too. तो बच्चों हमने शुरू में इसकी चर्चा की थी. I think you are ready. Yes. So yes, we can see it in the sky. Yes, बच्चों. I think you are ready. So guess it. Yes. Okay, very nice. So this student guessed. Yes, it's sun. Very good. Clap for her. Very good. Excellent. Well done. Yes. Very good. So students, yes, it's a good activity, and students, I think you should play. Yes, with the help of your teacher, with the help of your elder. Yes, this activity, very good activity. Okay, students, so work hard and yes, be careful about your health. स्टूडेंट्स, बृहन मुंबई महानगर पालिका के इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए. ओके स्टूडेंट्स.
बच्चों, बृहन मुंबई महानगर पालिका के इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए और बेल आइकन प्रेस कर लीजिए. तो बच्चों, हम उम्मीद करते हैं यहाँ तक आपने समझ लिया है. आगे फिर मिलेंगे. आज के लिए इतना ही. थैंक यू वेरी मच.